Did you know that sweet potatoes can enhance your immune system and provide a wealth of nutrients? Here's a quick and delicious recipe for savory sweet potato and black bean tacos that you can whip up in no time. Start by roasting diced sweet potatoes in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of cumin, and a pinch of salt. Roast them until they are golden and tender, about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, heat some canned black beans in a saucepan with minced garlic and a splash of lime juice for added flavor and zest. Now, to assemble, grab a warm corn tortilla and layer it generously with the roasted sweet potatoes and seasoned black beans. Top it off with fresh avocado slices, chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of lime for that perfect finishing touch. Imagine a meal that not only satisfies your cravings, but keeps you full and energized for hours. These tacos are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice for a healthy lifestyle. Would you try this? What's your favorite healthy food hack? Dive into the world of flavors with this easy recipe today and enjoy a nutritious twist on a classic favorite.